We have news coming in from Bihar now. Let's take a look at that, because in Bihar as well, remember, with Karakat, one of the constituencies where our colleague is presently on the ground, I want to go across to Aditya Vaibhav, who's joining me. Because Aditya, you tell me, has the polling started as we go to Bihar? What is the situation looking like? Because it's as much for the JDU, BJP, but for the RJD Congress also to this time prove there is anti-incumbency.
Well, exactly, Pooja. As far as Bihar is concerned and Karakat constituency in particular, it is already scorching sun here, and it's barely 7:30. We've been given to understand that the polling is likely to continue the way it was supposed to, because the district administration has taken additional care, additional precautions to ensure that the voters as well as the polling staff does not fall prey to the scorching sun. But then notable is the fact that Karakat is a four-cornered contest between the candidates of NDA, Mahagathbandhan independent candidate Pawan Singh and All India Majlis-e-Ittehadul Muslimeen's candidate Priyanka Chaudhary. Pooja, it's a very crucial contest for battle Karakat as far as the candidates are concerned. While Upendra Kushwaha has been fielded by the NDA, Mahagathbandhan candidate is Raja Ram Singh, and then two more candidates that have actually turned the entire contest into a four-cornered one. Pooja.
Aditya Vaibhav telling us in Bihar, and remember, while he may be at one constituency, I want to take you through the candidates that we have. Our election intelligence dispatch will tell you which precisely. Look at this, the dashboard showing how Patna Sahib is very important. Ravi Shankar Prasad, of course, has been a former law minister, continues to be a very important factor when it comes to the BJP, specifically in Bihar. If I click here on Ravi Shankar Prasad, who's represented the constituency earlier as well, Anshul Avijit of the Congress party is the son of Meera Kumar, former speaker, and Bahujan Samaj party's Neeraj Kumar as well. Let's take a look at another candidate, Jiten Ram Majhi from Gaya. Of course, remember, has been a senior leader, has been in the political and governance of this country for many years. Sarabjit Kumar against him of the RJD, and Dhirendra Prasad of the LSWP. There are, of course, different, remember, regional parties when it comes to Bihar. There are Giriraj Singh, Pappu Yadav. Let's take a look at Giriraj Singh, one of the most vocal leaders, been a minister of the and for the BJP on some of the most controversial issues when Giriraj Singh speaks. Representing, remember, and he's been a member of parliament, and from Begusarai against him is CPI's Abdhesh Kumar Rai and Ram Badan Rai of KPJD. I have to say that this is one state where it's not just heightened political activity, but the voters of Bihar, extremely intelligent, extremely politically aware. Go to any town, small base, interiors in Bihar, and you will have a voter who knows precisely why he's voting for that neta or that party. And that perhaps is the hope. Let's take a look quickly at the turnout that has been for Bihar. Look at this. It has fluctuated between 50 to 60%, 58%, 45% dipped down, and then about 60% almost. What will it be this time in the soaring temperature, in the heat as well?